This is a beta learning platform I'm testing out. Um, it has a shell, an actual shell that's connected to a Docker uh, TTYD. So slightly slower, I gotta work that out a bit, but then can switch to video, can switch to references. Still gotta work on some styles and stuff, but and also like setting some minor UI stuff, and then the data for this. And this part's navigatable. So it's pretty much right now most of it's JSON. I think I'm gonna keep it JSON but store it in the backend, and just need to pump the data in, and then everything pretty good shape. Yep. This button doesn't work yet. It's supposed to switch between topics, and this one also doesn't work.